It's your boy.
Oh, no. Oh, Breezy.
Look.
Oh.
What's good? I'm back. Y'all ain't happy? Oh. Bro. Whew. If you know like I know, you know what's in here. You know what's in this box. You know what I got, man. I got some heat, man. Look. I don't know who stepped on my... Damn. Somebody got a big ass foot stepping on my boot. I mean...
What? What the fuck?
Stepping on my box. They don't tweak it. Stepping on my box, man. Whoever stepped on my box, y'all deserve to be fired, bro. Do y'all know what's in here? Don't step on my box. Moral of the story, man. Let's get this mug open. Nice little wrapping on there when I put all that to the side. Ain't nothing in there. So, V2, Yeezy Boost V2, you know, 700s. That's what the other box looked like for my utility blacks. These not V2 though. These just the regular ones. I'll show y'all the difference. Oh. Ooh. Hold on. Let me catch my breath. Ooh. Oh my. Ooh. If y'all could, oh my. Sheesh, these is tough. Come on, wait, man. These is tough. Oh my. I'm impressed, bro. I saw like, I was about to get the inertias instead of getting these, but I was like, these finna just come out. I might as well get them, you know. Then I won't be seeing too many people talk about Yeezy. So, I mean, I'm like, this might as well be my little, you know. Man, I messed these the long way, bro. I just, these so comfy, man. I ain't even finna. Alright, the differences between the V2 and just the regular ones. Alright, this the V2 right here. You basically can see right here on this part, instead it got the 3 stripes, you know, some Adidas stuff. But that ain't even the hardest feature though. Let me show y'all the reflectors. Like, the reflectors is what make the Yeezys hard for me, because like, you taking a picture, you know, that little reflector, that's hard, bro. Like, reflectors on these like go like that. I know, like, I can't see it, but I know how to shoe it. So it's like, should be like 3 Adidas stripes inside of it. Then you got the 3 of them reflectors right here, all over shoe. I know these some reflectors, that's a reflector. Just like all of that. That's so tight to me. Like, that's hard when you take, especially when you're taking a picture. But these, I ain't never seen the reflectors on them. I ain't never seen none of that. So this, how I look, man. How I look. It go crazy.
We finna act like the shoe ain't damn near white and y'all can actually see that shit. I'm dumb as fuck.
I just know them reflectors went crazy. I can feel it in my heart. But like, man, I cannot wait to put these on, bro. Cause it's like, it's hospital blue in a way, but most of the shoe is gray to me. Like, I can see the hospital blue part, but I don't know. My favorite color is gray, so I was like, these are no brainer for me, cause I gotta get them. You know, this only my second pair of Yeezy. This is my second pair of 700s, and I got the Zebra 350s, the V2s. So my next cop probably gonna be the inertias. Or I was looking at the sea salt ones. I'm kind of feeling the sea salt ones too. But look, let me get y'all a little closer. How y'all feeling? Let me know how y'all feel. But I'm really messing with it because it's like all the suede, the material, that's gray, right? All the little suede material, that's gray. But like the 3M reflectors, like this part right here, oh yeah, that's silver. Then you got this little mesh, whatever you want to call it. This little material right here, that's the actual hospital gray. You got right here, that's actual hospital gray. I'm saying gray. This the actual hospital blue. I gotta excuse my mans on this video. I don't know why he keeps saying gray. He that stuck on gray? Don't you mean blue? Come on, bro. Blue, all of them. So it's different colors. You got silver, gray, hospital blue, all through the mesh parts, the mesh parts. And you got this silver right here. Man, these go so crazy. Like I can see kind of the reflector working right now with the light coming off of it. These go crazy, for real. This part right here, I know everybody been waiting for. Man, Fab, you steady showing it in your hand. What it look like on your feet?
Paving this shit crank.
The Yeezy 700 V2 Hospital Blues. Let me know what y'all think about it. Comment, like, subscribe, share on Facebook, Snapchat. Tell them motherfuckers, to slide up. All that. Give me some support. And I keep doing videos, public interviews, whatever y'all trying to see. Just let me know.